because we're in the season where right now there's a lot of cold and flu-like symptoms going on. And if you want to protect yourself, there are certain herbs you need to always use in this period of time. Like I will be using them on a daily basis for November, December, January, February, and March, especially if you're in the north. You need echinacea, you need elderberry, you need osha. Okay, it's good for the respiratory tract. It's antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial, essential to use. Okay, and we created a special package for that, and also have one for cough. If you have a cough and you can't get rid of it, a non-productive cough. If a cough that's there is lingering, doesn't want to go away, we have a formula for that as well, and it's called the Home Essential Kit. Make sure you grab it. It's a fantastic gift to give somebody, anyways. And it looks like this. Okay, we have the 100ml bottles and the 250ml bottles. I'm only mentioning it because if you take, for instance, echinacea, I have not seen. One of the best herbs I've seen for your immune system is echinacea. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Within 24 hours, you see the difference. Within 48 hours, you have doubled almost boosted your immune cells. It's crazy how fast it works.